Hey guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and I have a brand new Erin Condren unboxing for you. Alright, first of all, yes, I just did an Erin Condren unboxing, but I had a little crisis of my planner identity and ordered something new. The first thing I want to show you is this little newsletter that came in with my order, which I actually really like. I wish you could subscribe to this beyond ordering. It's got how to host a Friendsgiving. It's got some free downloads. erincondren.com/printables for Christmas. It's got some new, the Focus collection. I think this is going to be more like mail driven. It looks like there's a new desktop collection coming out with staplers and tape dispensers, things of that nature. Just looks like a lot of new stuff coming out. Kind of a cool little newsletter. So there's that. Alright, here's my order. Alright, first of all, the do-it-all dots. I have actually tried to order these a couple of times and they've been out of stock. They were in stock this time, so I finally got them. They are very functional. I'll just show you real quick. There's nail polish bottles, kind of beauty things here, medicinal, cleaning, just money, all kinds of different things on here. So I don't use those a lot, but when I do, I like having them. A couple other things I ordered were these stencils. These were really cheap. I think they were like $4. And I'll be honest, I got at least one of these just to bump my order up to get free shipping. Kind of been into more bullet journaling and stuff like that lately. So I thought that might be nice just to kind of have these stencils. This is a calligraphy stencil, and this has all kinds of things from clouds to cameras to, shopping, working out, whatever. There are those. That was that. This thing is just some dividers for the sticker box that I showed you in my last haul. I've gotten enough Erin Condren stickers. I thought being able to divide them would be useful. I think this was only like $3. I have a label maker so I could label these if I wanted to, whatever. Again, I might have just ordered this to push my shipping up. I also got these Erin Condren colored pencils. These are new to me. Alright, another thing I ordered was this cover. This Be Strong and Courageous color. The colors are charcoal and pool here. There is that. I have the deluxe monthly planner that I was using for a cleaning planner, and now I think I would like to repurpose it into a devotional planner. So I ordered this cover for that, and you can see I didn't personalize it. I just went with the verse they had. There is an Instagram account that heavily influenced me. She has a cover for a devotional planner like this, and off the top of my head I can't think of it, but I will link it below. So you can see how she uses hers. Alright, here is the big thing. I'm going to move this box because this is kind of the main event here. This is a 2019 vertical planner. Yes, I already have a vertical planner. Again, this is in charcoal. No, it's in black and pool. I apologize. I don't actually, it's black and pool is all of my colors. With a gold coil. There was another Instagram account that was unduly influencing me towards vertical. I will also link that below. But I got to thinking that I would really like to use just the Erin Condren daily planner plus the vertical for next year. And so I ordered this. I had some referral credit together, and my hourly I think I will probably give to my daughter because she was wanting another 2019 planner. So there's the stickers, there's a pocket back here, and then there is the perpetual calendar and the back pocket. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's my little Erin Condren haul. I will leave some links below for you. Thanks for checking it out, and I will catch you next time.